Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create mirror shared video in CapCut PC. So just going to select your photo here, and then copy paste, just copy paste, and just the position like this, and then click second one, and you can select this mirror. See like this and select the clip, just copy paste, move down, paste again. So just going to effect and select more shape, and you can find this effect, just click basic effect. So just drag here, just for the range and the speed. Here we go. You can also add the audio or text or sticker that you want. Okay, this tutorial is very simple, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below, and you can click thanks button for appreciation and share. Thanks. Bye bye.